Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Recursive Java methods can be tricky, but we can solve this string problem in seconds. Let's trace the call starting from index 2 right now.
The method process words uses recursion to build a string. We start at index 2, which is gorilla. Each call waits for the next one to finish before adding its own word. The recursive calls continue until the index reaches 5. At that point, the base case returns an empty string. Then the method starts adding the words in reverse order as it returns. Recursive calls occur before adding the current word, so car and house come first. This leads to the correct result, option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rushing. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.